Hello and welcome back. Now we have reached the end of our class regarding lean management. We went through a lot of tools and methods, examples, applications to understand the general concept of lean management. We take some points about the history, where it did it start and who invented this method. And then also we learned about Tim Woods, or the 8 wastes of lean, which are the transportation, the inventory, motion, waiting time, overproducing, overprocessing, defects, and skills utilization. Then we introduced the key performance indicators of the home, or KPIs. And I told you that I'm following a method called PCDQSM, which are the productivity, cost, delivery, safety, quality, and morale. All of these called the KPIs, and we said that KPIs should be something measurable that you have to measure. If you cannot measure, you will not be able to manage, and it will not be a KPI if you cannot measure. After that, we went through the kitchen application regarding the preparation of teacup, and we see how to apply all the 8 wastes and the KPIs in this particular point. After that, we introduced what we call the value stream map, how to see the process where the value ends and the value is out, and how to do your study on them to find the most critical points, or what we call it the waste, so you can get rid of them. After that, we learned about PARETO chart, this chart with the bars and the percentage of the frequency in the component of the process. And we learned that how to apply the 80-20 rule, that when you make the 80% straight line intersection with the percentage line, it will give you where are the 80% of your issue, so you can focus on and then solve them. You will be done of your problems or your waste. All of these can be applied in the life, and mainly in the manufacturing or production processes, but it can be applied everywhere in the life as well. So if you have any question, or you would like to learn more about lean, you want to take more details, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will be more than happy to reply on your questions, to keep in touch with you. You can see the future classes I will going to make. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any question, I'll be more than happy to answer you. I also wish that you can go through this survey here in this QR code, or you can find the link in the description below. It's a small quiz about the lean to see how much you have learned, and also I'll give you the result later if you subscribe your name or your contact information. And it has also a quick survey about the course. What do you think about my course here? How did my presentation, my language, my accent, my content in general? A quick survey about this class for my self-improvement, as I told you before. And I wish to see you in more classes. Thank you for your participation and your patience with me. And see you soon.